NVIDIA's H100 GPUs are more precious than gold at the moment. NVIDIA announced the H100 early last year and began full production in September. The previous version of these chips, A100, were really good enough, but H100 performs about 2.3 times faster than training and also 3.5 times faster at the inference. Developers all over the globe need these top of the line chips to train high performance models and deploy them in their own products. But these days, everyone, including the developers, plus big and small companies, and especially the cloud providers, are struggling to obtain these H100 chips from NVIDIA. The current demand, according to a blog post, is for H100 is around half a million, which actually amounts to dollar figure of 15 billion US dollars in sales. This tally is based on the guess of projected purchases by the major AI companies. Both AI startups and cloud providers are struggling to obtain these H100 chips. Chinese tech giants like Alibaba, Baidu, ByteDance, and Tencent have already ordered $5 billion worth of NVIDIA chips. CoreWeave, which is a startup cloud computing provider, has ordered between 35,000 and 40,000 H100 chips. Now, TSMC, which fabricates NVIDIA's chips, can produce only so many H100s, and as we know it. That is why they have said that they are already sold out, but they are going to double their capacity by the end of next year. By the way, TSMC shares these chips between NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. So, what is the solution here? How can we overcome this shortage of H100 at the moment? Well, this is where NVIDIA's CUDA software comes to rescue. This CUDA software is behind many deep learning software packages out there, and it gives the company's chips a significant boost. Also, this is not the only player here. AMD's open source ROCm is making great progress, and its MI250 and upcoming MI300 series chips are also very promising and alternate of H100. So I believe that don't just focus on NVIDIA's hardware and software, also try out AMD stuff, which seems to be very promising. Soon I will be making more detailed video on AMD's open source ROCm and also it's on MI300 series chips. I hope that this was useful. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.